to Ambus Technologies. In this video, I'm going to talk about the soil moisture control using Raspberry Pi and voice commands through Alexa. So the main aim of this project is to control the water motor on or off using our voice commands and monitoring the temperature, humidity and also the soil moisture constantly. So coming to the components, we are using the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B and we are using a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. Also we are using a soil moisture sensor, and we are using a AC water motor which is given to the AC load and controlled through Raspberry Pi via a relay. So this relay is a 5 volt 2 ampere one. So all these components are powered up by regulated power supply, which converts it is used to power up all the other components which require 5 volts. And I am powering up this Raspberry Pi using a USB micro cable. So let's see it's working now. So I'm going to control this home automation, the Raspberry Pi using this terminal. So I'm going to initially run this program. So as you can see, it is monitoring the temperature, humidity and soil moisture. Because the soil moisture sensor is placed in water, it is showing the value 0. So let's keep it aside for a while. So we can see that it needs 2 seconds before it gets load again. So as you can see now, soil moisture is given as 1. So yeah, that's the working of soil moisture sensor. So when I place it in the water again, it is going to show value 0. And I'm going to control the water motor through Alexa. So initially it has already been in on condition. So I'm going to turn it off. Alexa, trigger motor off.
Sending back to it.
So that's how. Alexa, trigger motor on.
Sending back to it.
So as you can see, at the moment the water motor relay has been turned on. So when that's how water motor is turned on or off. So as you can see, it is going to show that it has been controlled by Alexa at this point. So Alexa, how we control the water motor on or off, and we are also checking the status of the temperature and humidity regularly, and the soil moisture sensor as well. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to Ambus Technologies. Thank you.